Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to hide online status in your WhatsApp. Okay, simply open your WhatsApp, then tap on three buttons, go to settings, okay, then go to privacy, then you can see option of last seen and online. Okay, those are the same settings, so open it, then you can select who can see I'm online. You can set two options like everyone, and second option is same as last seen. So we can choose different four things of last scenes. Okay, like everyone, my contacts only, and my contacts except someone's, and nobody. Okay, if you select nobody, then no one can see you are what's your last seen time, and also you can select the same settings like same as last seen for your online. That means no one can see you are online or not. So that's the functions. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.